Hello, and welcome back to the third installment of Reconciling Zero as we go in search of Effective Zen. The question we posed last week was, if I'm walking some particular path, how can I know for sure that this is Zen Mountain? With the question employing the familiar spiritual mountain metaphor and inferring that not all self-professed Zen paths are actually Zen paths. So, how to proceed? Well, actually, we start with a little detour. If asked, what is Wheeler Peak, how would you respond? Well, it seems there are two ways to go. Respond with a simple answer or a precise one. For example, a simple answer might be, Wheeler Peak is the highest point in New Mexico. While a more precise answer might sound like, Wheeler is the highest peak in New Mexico, some 13,000 feet in elevation, located in the Taos Mountains, which comprise one section of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, itself the southernmost subrange of the Rockies. But to actually support this precise answer, one must be prepared to answer the following. First, what is a peak, a mountain, and a mountain range? Second, does 13,000 foot elevation actually qualify as a peak? Third, where are the Taos Mountains located? Fourth, where are the Sangre de Cristo Mountains located? And finally, what constitute the Rockies? The point is that the simple answer may not be terribly informative, while the precise answer may require a good deal of specific understanding. And there are times when a simple answer will do, and there will be times when we would like to answer precisely. And back to our original topic, likewise, one may be asked the question, what is Zen? And again, we can expect the same two choices, a simple answer and a precise one. One possible simple answer might be, Zen is the pursuit of stillness. And one possible precise answer might be, Zen is one manifestation of Buddhism, which in turn is one manifestation of spirituality, which in turn is just one manifestation of activity. And as with the Wheeler Peak example, one should be prepared to explain the following. First, what is the nature of activity? Second, what are the characteristics of spirituality? Third, what is the uniqueness of Buddhism? And finally, what is the uniqueness of Zen? So recall the question for this week was, if I'm walking some particular path, how can I know for certain that this is Zen Mountain? Well, it seems before we can answer this question, there is still some work to be done. So for next week, the question, how do we explain these four additional concepts? Activity, spirituality, Buddhism, and Zen. So until next week, cheers!